Hi, in this video, let's see how to make a delicious and super tasty drumstick gravy. Start by soaking 1 cup tuar dal in enough water for 30 minutes. Then add a few drops of oil and a pinch of turmeric and pressure cook this for 3 whistles. Strain this cooked dal to remove any excess water. Next, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 finely chopped onion, a few curry leaves. Fry this until the onions turn transparent. Now add in the cooked dal. Two chopped and cooked drumsticks. Give this a good stir. This gravy is a thick gravy, so I will not be adding any water, but water can be added if you wish to make it more like a sambar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon jaggery, 2 tablespoons sambar powder, salt as required. Mix all this well until the tamarind is cooked. Delicious drumstick gravy is ready. Please do try our recipes and leave us a comment below.